Alright, welcome guys. This is a new video on how to mine Tenaz token. Okay, so this is a revolutionized new project, okay, on Web3 space. So we are going to be earning free Tenaz token. So and early adopters always have the best opportunity to maximize mining. All right, so before we begin to experience having on this project, so if you have been on my group, you're supposed to have accumulated some tokens right now. So but for those that are not yet in the group, you can join our Telegram and also join our WhatsApp. The links are in the video description to help you get started. So how to get started? After you've successfully created an account, you will have to see something that will pop up here. Okay, so once you have to activate your mining, there is a draw here. Okay, you are going to see a draw. You have to slide it from your left to your right, okay, to activate mining. So once this section is active, you start seeing a count. Okay, your balance will start increasing. Now what you need to do after that, you have to come over to this daily security. Okay, you have this point here. Okay, it will help you to utilize your mining rate and also increase more token. So you just tap here once every 24 hours, right? So once you tap here, let me show you something. So once I tap it will show me that you have already completed security verification. Please try again tomorrow. So it's very simple. Just tap here, you get some tokens, and also it will help to boost your mining rate as well. Some of you might not really know about daily security. You have to check it out, right? So it's very important. So if you come here, you see that they have a debit card, they have wallpaper, white paper, and you can also turn on the notification so that you will not miss out of any mining sections. So if you come here, you turn on notifications. Okay, so you have to be very active here to mine enough token before the other events that will be coming up. Okay, so you can see that they have debit cards. You can actually get this debit card by joining their waitlist. Okay, so you come here and tap on this join waitlist. Okay, so it's coming up. Just need to click here. Your request is already added in our waitlist, so just come here and join the waitlist so that if there is something juicy that will be coming up in no distance time, you will be getting free debit card. All right, so it's very simple. You can come here and check out their white paper. So it's already documented, so it will help you stay tuned and consistently mine on this platform. So it's very easy, and it's apps is available on both App Store and Google Play. Okay, so for Android users and iOS users, you have access to this project, unlike some projects that only have available application for Google users. Okay, so take a very bold step and start mining right now. So it's going to help you to make huge amount of money when they will list their token. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, I have dropped the video on how to mine previously in the group, but this tutorial is basically for those that are not in the WhatsApp channel. So you can go ahead and join our Twitter, Telegram, and also follow us on WhatsApp so that you get daily updates on how to get access to potential projects. So thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.